Last time, we talked about why FPGA is such a powerful tool. But here's the question. Can FPGA cover all electronics needs? The answer is no. So, what else might you need? The answer is ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits. These are chips that are custom designed for a specific function. Unlike general-purpose processors or reprogrammable FPGAs, today we are going to explore why ASICs are critical across so many industries and how they could be the perfect solutions for certain projects. By the end of this presentation, you will see the unique advantages of ASICs, including their unmatched performance, efficiency, and cost effectiveness for high volume and specialized applications. Let's dive into the world of ASIC and see what makes them so essential. One of the biggest reasons to choose ASIC is their ability to deliver unparalleled performance. Because they are custom designed, every aspect of an ASIC is optimized for speed and efficiency. Unlike FPGAs or off-the-shelf processors, there's no unnecessary logic in an ASIC, allowing it to perform specific tasks faster and with greater precision. This is especially important in applications like high-speed networking and data centers, where latency and throughput are critical. With ASICs, you also get deterministic performance, meaning their operation is consistent and predictable. This makes them ideal for industries where reliability and speed are non-negotiable. Simply put, ASICs are built to excel at their intended task. Another standout feature of ASICs is their power efficiency. Because ASICs are designed with only the necessary components, they consume significantly less power compared to general-purpose processors or FPGAs. This makes them ideal for power-sensitive applications, such as smartphones, wearables, IoT devices, and portable medical equipment. Lower power consumption not only extends battery life, but also reduces thermal output, which simplifies cooling requirements. Unlike FPGAs, which require additional hardware for reconfigurability, ASIC eliminates this overhead entirely, further improving energy efficiency for applications where energy consumption is critical. ASICs are the clear winner. They allow developers to balance high performance with lower power consumption at the same time. Let's talk about cost. While ASICs have high upfront costs due to design and fabrication, they become incredibly cost-effective for high-volume production. Once the initial non-recurring engineering or NRE costs are covered, the per-unit cost of ASIC drops significantly. This is because ASIC use only the resource required for a specific function, leading to a smaller chip size and reduced manufacturing cost. For large-scale deployments like consumer electronics or automotive applications, ASIC offer unmatched cost efficiency. In contrast, FPGAs are more expensive per unit and are better suited for smaller production runs. For companies planning to produce millions of units, ASICs are the obvious choice. ASICs are also known for their compact and high-efficiency design. Because they are built for specific function, they only introduce the feature and hardware required for their application. This results in a smaller footprint compared to general purpose chips or FPGAs. A smaller chip means less space is required, which is especially important for compact devices like wearables, smartphones, and even drones. Moreover, ASICs can integrate multiple functionalities such as processing, memory, and interfaces into a single chip. This simplifies system architecture and reduces the overall size and complexity of the product. If space is at a premium, ASICs are the best solution. Security is another area where ASICs have a significant advantage. Because ASICs are fixed-function devices, they are less vulnerable to attack compared to reprogrammable solutions like FPGAs. For example, FPGA can expose configuration bitstreams, which attackers might exploit. ASICs, on the other hand, are immune to such vulnerability because their functionality is hardwired. Additionally, ASIC can include custom encryption and security features tailored to the specific application. This makes them ideal for industries like finance, defense, and security complications where protecting sensitivity data is critical. With ASIC, you get peace of mind that your hardware is secure by design. One of the reasons ASICs are so popular in large-scale production is their scalability. Once the design is finalized, ASIC can be manufactured in high volume with consistent quality and performance. This scalability is crucial for industries like consumer electronics, where millions of units are produced annually. Additionally, ASIC can be designed with scalability in mind, meaning the same design can be adapted for use in multiple products. For example, a single ASIC design could power different models of a smartphone with varying level of performance. This level of scalability is hard to achieve with off-the-shelf solutions, making ASIC a preferred choice for mass market products. ASICs offer long-term stability and reliability, making them an excellent choice for applications with extended life cycles. Once an ASIC is fabricated, its design is fixed, ensuring consistent performance throughout the whole operational life. This is particularly important for industries like automotive, industrial automation, and aerospace, where devices need to function reliably for years, if not decades. Unlike FPGAs, which mainly require ongoing software updates and support, ASICs are self-contained and independent of external dependency. This makes them a low-maintenance solution for long-term deployments. If your application requires durability and stability over many years, ASICs are the way to go. Where are ASICs used? The answer is everywhere. ASICs are used in a wide range of industries, and their versatility makes them indispensable for specialized tasks. In artificial intelligence AI, ASICs power advanced processors like Google's TPUs and NVIDIA's AI accelerators, enabling faster training and inference for deep learning models. They are also critical in consumer electronics, where they drive smartphones, gaming consoles, and smart TVs, delivering high performance and power efficiency. In automotive, ASIC enable advanced driver assistance system (ADAS), autonomous vehicles, and electronic car battery management. Data centers and telecommunications also rely on ASICs for high-speed networking and cloud computing, supporting 5G infrastructure and scalable storage solutions. From medical devices to cryptocurrency mining and even aerospace, ASIC deliver tailored solutions whenever precision, efficiency, and reliability are required. Now, let's briefly compare ASICs to FPGAs. FPGAs are versatile, programmable devices, making them ideal for prototyping and low-volume applications. However, they come with a higher per-unit cost, greater power consumption, and larger footprints. ASIC, on the other hand, excel in high-volume production, offer optimized performance, lower power consumption, and smaller chip size, while FPGAs are flexible. ASICs are tailored to perfection. Choosing between the two depends on your priorities, whether it's adaptability or long-term efficiency. For high performance, cost-sensitive applications, ASICs are the better choice. Here are the summarized images showing you that the ASICs are the purpose-built solutions that excel in performance, efficiency, and scalability. They are perfect for applications that demand reliability, cost effectiveness in high volume and compact designs. While the upfront cost may seem high, the long-term benefit far outweigh the initial investment, especially for large-scale production. Whether it's consumer electronics, automotive, or secure communications, ASICs deliver results tailored to specific needs. Thanks for your time, and I'm happy to answer any questions if you have any about the ASIC or the applications. Thanks for watching again. Before you go, if you are benefiting from those circuit images, I would love to hear your feedback, and please share your comments down below. Lastly, please share the video link with the people who may be benefiting.